Do you have some overripe bananas and idli batter? Then this is the perfect breakfast recipe that you can try. This is eggless and you don't need to use even a single drop of oil or butter. For the recipe, take 2 bananas, chop them into pieces and grind it in a mixie jar. The banana paste is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. To this add a quarter cup of jaggery powder, a pinch of cardamom powder and a quarter cup of scraped coconut. If you don't have jaggery powder, you can very well use brown sugar or the normal sugar. Give a nice mix and then add the idli batter. I'm going to add around 2 cups of idli batter. The batter has to be thick, so you have to adjust the idli batter according to the consistency. This is the right consistency. Now take a bowl, grease it with oil. Now transfer the batter into the bowl. I'm going to steam cook this and I'm going to use an idli steamer to steam this. If you don't have idli steamer, you can go for any other steamer. Place the bowl on this and close it and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. This is ready, we can take it out now. Before flipping this, let us loosen the sides. This is still hot, let us carefully take it out. Before serving, you can top this with some scraped coconut. This is a perfect healthy breakfast for the whole family. Do try this at home. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.